Okay, so for today's video, we're going to be making some Funfetti Oreo cake mix. I got a couple of recipes on the back. You can make some Oreo whoopie cakes. Actually, the recipe is on the side, and you can find that at pillsbury.com. So let's get into the video. So we got that timber, and we have the Funfetti Oreo icing, which also has like the crumbs on top. Okay, so we got our Oreo mix over here in this little hat. We got our eggs, 3 plus 1 more, that's 4 eggs to this batter. So let's take those out. And we're going to pour the batter right in. What I usually do is grab the batter. I'm going to put it in here, batter bag in here. And you want to crack the eggs. Just drop the batter in there. Usually just put the eggshells in there, in the box. And, 1 more. There's 4 eggs. Okay. With your 1 cup of water, you want to add that in. Okay. And then you need a 1/2 cup of oil. A cup of oil, or you can melt down some butter, whichever one you choose. So let's get a 1/2 cup. Half a cup of oil. I will fill it up to the rim, because you know you always have that extra on the bottom. You be wondering, do you get all of your oil in there, or did it not? So anyways, here we go. We got the 1/2 cup of oil. Now, let me put on our attachments. Alright, let's lift it up. Now we got our batter in there. Okay. We're going to lock it back. And we're going to turn it on. It's not a kitchenette, so, or a KitchenAid. So it, you know, I'm going to give it a little swirl. Mix it around a little bit more. For the most part, this one works. Okay, so we got our batter.